The Meghalaya government is implementing technological solutions to address educational challenges, particularly in areas with limited internet connectivity. To bridge this gap, the government is taking efforts to expand mobile and internet coverage across the state. Education Minister Rakam A. Sangma said that as part of modernization efforts by the government, the plan is to introduce QR codes for key subjects such as social science, science and mathematics, starting from the next academic session to help students to assess explanation and solve exam questions easily.
The area in terms of the connectivity, but I'm happy today. Government is planning to have this the textbook. Especially the English, the mathematics, science, and SST will be having a QR code. We are planning to roll out from next academic session, so where all the topics will be conceptual. Briefing and teaching, video teaching will be there, and all the questions will be solved, both of the board exam as well as the textbook questions and all.
The state government is focusing on improving academic outcomes in